My name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Happy Thanksgiving! This week on How to Draw, I'm going to be teaching you all how to draw a turkey. Step 1. Start by drawing an inverted U. This will be the head of the turkey. Step 2. Continue with the round shape under the head. This will make the body of your turkey. What you should see is somewhat of a nice pear shape. Step 3. Draw eyes and the beak with a couple of details. Draw 2 round shapes for the wings. Step 4. Time to start drawing those magnificent tail feathers. Start by drawing a curve on the left side and then the right side. Step 5. Connect the ends with a few arches. 5 is ideal. Step 6. Draw a line from the bottom of the arch to the turkey body. Step 7. Next come the arches under the arches. Let's draw those details on the tail feathers. Step 8. Add another row underneath it. Step 9. Lastly, let's draw some turkey feet. All done. You've learned how to draw a turkey. Once you color it, feel free to share it with us on our Facebook page. Stay tuned next week on Saturday at 1 to learn how to draw a fox. Thank you all so much.